Good morning, everyone. I will be giving this presentation on behalf of my team named Whiteheads. The PSID is KVH13, which is to develop a tool for monitoring ground personnel. Our aim is to design a mobile application that will help the organization to allocate and continuously track the location of the ground personnel to ensure that they stay where they are posted. The app will connect each one of the personnel and the supervisor through messaging feature, allowing them to share updates, messages and concerns from time to time. Continuous monitoring of live location of each one of the personnel will also be available, which ensures the supervisor that they are meeting their goals and targets. Depending upon the range where the personnel will be deployed, there will be two ways to detect the presence of the personnel. One by using NFC and the other is through GPS tracking system. For shorter range, we will be using the NFC tags and NFC reader, which is usually the smartphone or any NFC enabled device. Due to its magnetic field induction constant, signals will be transmitted and received constantly, which will ensure the presence of the personnel. Once this connection breaks, notification and alerts will be sent to both the personnel and the supervisor. Whereas on the other side, for wide range, we will be using GPS tracking system to monitor each personnel. The real-time location will be sent to the police headquarters where position and movement of each personnel will be supervised. A virtual boundary will be created through geofencing for each of the deployed personnel. If he tries to move away from his assigned position, immediate alerts will be sent to both the personnel and the supervisor. Alerting systems of the app will ensure that none of the personnel are moving far away. The app will also be equipped with features such as time tracking and task assignment to help organizations manage their personnel more effectively. The time tracking feature allows personnel to clock in and out of their shifts. The task assignment feature allows supervisors to assign specific tasks to their personnel and track the progress of those tasks in real time. There are some of the technology stacks that we are planning to implement in our app. We will be using Flutter, Android Studio, Dart, and Python for the application. Now comes the use cases. What are the use cases in our project? Our main user goal is that inspector tracks ground personnel by NFC and GPS and shares necessary information. There are some necessary steps and outcomes like placement. On entering how many personnel and where they need to be allocated, the app would suggest their suitable positions in such a way that a network among them can be established. Next is the modification in positioning. If a modification in the position allotment of any personnel is required, one can do that manually and the app would send notifications in case the network breaks. Next is monitoring. The location that is in latitude and longitude of each personnel will be constantly shown in the map. Alert system. In case of a noticeable movement from the allocated position, an alert notification will be sent to the personnel and also to the police station. Now comes the security. The data transferred through NFC will be absolutely secured and encrypted. Now comes what are the dependencies of our project? Dependencies of our project is the geocoding and geolocation APIs. To obtain the address, we can use reverse geocoding API, whereas geolocation API provides information about the latitude and longitude of the device and also accuracy of the location data. Scope of business. We can offer the app as a subscription service. charging users a monthly or annual fee for access to the app's features and data. We can also sell it to companies or organizations that would benefit from its use. We can also monetize our app by including targeted advertising within it. Now, applications of the app other than tracking police officers are there that it helps to track construction progress and worker timelines, which can be used in law enforcement, and it can also be used in healthcare units and event management and many more. Coming to our team details, our mentor is Mr. Saurav Mahapatra sir, and the team includes Neha Pandit as team leader, Priya Roy and Janish Kumar as front-end developer, Atre Mandal as back-end developer, and Shovi Kundu in database management, and Sareen Jaiswal as full-stack developer. Thank you.